Trust and professionalism are the foundation of a strong brand. If people don't trust their business, they are much less likely to choose you or recommend you. For small business owners, building credibility is about more than just looking good. It's about showing your audience that you're reliable, capable, and worth their time. Hey, I'm Faye, a brand and web designer dedicated to helping business owners grow and thrive on and offline through impactful branding. Today, we're talking about 5 ways you can make your brand more credible and professional so that you can stand out and attract the right clients. So let's get started.
You know,
The first way you can make your brand more credible is by developing a cohesive visual identity. It's the first thing people notice about you, and if it looks polished and consistent, that builds trust. Here's what to focus on. 1. A professional logo. Your logo should reflect your brand's personality and values. If you don't have one, you should invest in a professional design. Next, a color palette. Stick to 2 to 5 colors that represent your brand. Use them consistently across your website, your socials, and your marketing materials. Next, typography. Choose 1 to 2 fonts, maybe even throw in an accent font that complements your brand's tone and makes everything look more unified. You should also consider other visual elements like a brand pattern, icons, photography, illustrations, and other things that represent your business. And all of these should be wrapped together in a style guide. Create a style guide to help you keep your visuals consistent, whether you're posting on social media, designing business cards, or updating your website. Another way to make your brand trustworthy and memorable is to define your brand's messaging. Your visuals grab attention, but your messaging is what keeps people engaged. Clear, consistent messaging shows your audience who you are, what you do, and why they should trust you. To get it right, you should definitely consider having a mission and a vision statement. Make sure to communicate your purpose and what you want in your future, and what drives your business and why all of that matters. Also consider a tagline or a slogan, a short, memorable phrase that sums up your brand in a couple of words. Also, tone of voice and personality. Decide how you want to sound: friendly, professional, approachable, authentic. Whatever it is, stick with it across all platforms. Also, keep in mind consistency matters. Whether it's your website, your socials, your emails, your messaging should stay consistent and align with your brand everywhere. Another way to build trust with your ideal clients is to show social proof. People trust people, and social proof like testimonials, reviews, and success stories, that proves that others have trusted you and have had a good experience with you. Share quotes from happy clients about their experience working with you. Share case studies. Show specific examples of how you've helped other people solve their problems. Encourage your clients to leave reviews on Google or Yelp or Facebook, and if you can, highlight photos, videos, or posts from your clients that show off their experience with you. It's not just about showcasing and promoting your business, it's about showing potential clients that you're reliable and you're actually worth the investment. Another way to build trust is to maintain consistency across all platforms. Consistency shows your audience that you're reliable. When your brand looks and feels the same everywhere, it builds trust and reinforces your professionalism. Here's how to stay consistent. 1. Visuals. Use the same logo, colors, typography across your website, your socials, your email newsletters, your printed materials, everywhere. Next, your messaging. Make sure your tone and voice are consistent. Don't sound formal in one place and then super casual and fun in the other. Keep it similar everywhere. Next is your content schedule. Try to regularly update your platforms so that your audience knows that you're active and you're engaged with them. And audit your brand regularly. Check all of your platforms to make sure everything aligns with one another. Update everything that is outdated or off brand. And from there, quality design and content will help set you apart and show your audience that you care about all the details. Poor design or generic content or stock photos and templates, that makes your brand look more unprofessional. 1. Use professional photography if you can. Use high quality images for your site, social media, and marketing materials. Avoid too many stock photos that don't really match your brand. And if you do use stock photos, make sure they're curated and fit your brand's vibes. Also, make sure you have well written copy. Invest in clear, engaging, error free writing that connects with your audience. You also want a polished website. Your website's usually the first impression of your brand, so you want to make sure it's clean, easy to navigate, and mobile friendly too. Keep your brand fresh. Regularly update your content to stay relevant. An outdated website or a dead social media account can really hurt your brand's credibility, so try to avoid that. Overall, building a credible and professional brand takes effort, but the payoff is so worth it. It makes it easier to attract clients who value what it is that you bring to the table. So just remember, your visuals and messaging should always align. Social proof builds confidence in your audience, and investing in quality design and content reflects the professionalism your clients expect of you. You don't have to do it all at once. Start with small, intentional steps to refine your brand and get it where you want it to be over time. And with time, you'll see the difference it makes in how your clients perceive you and trust you. If you're ready to take your brand to the next level, I'd love to work with you. Let's talk, and together we can create a brand that's not just credible, but one that you're actually proud to stand behind. If you're ready for that next step, visit constantcreates.com and click the Work With Me form in the main menu to get started. And if you're not ready for all of that yet, that is a-okay. I have a bunch of freebies on my website that you can download to help you build your brand as you're getting started. You might especially like my brand identity checklist, which is a list of all of the different touch points that you might want to take into consideration as you build your brand. So definitely go download that and let me know what you think. Alrighty, so that is it for today. If you did find this video helpful, please give it a like, comment on the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this every Monday. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!